Hey bitch. So I have been getting sick and tired of the nail salon, so I chose to do my nails myself this week. These are press-ons by Kiss. I got this kit from Walgreens for about $8. And I am doubling the tips. I didn't cut the first tip that I put on because I wanted to just layer them to make them more sturdy since I was not using acrylic. So that's what you guys see me doing here. And I do take the glue and secure where the double tip connects under the nail just to make sure that, there's no spaces in between. So that's what you guys see me doing now. So I'll just let you guys watch this part and I'll be back. So I'm finishing up my right hand, putting the double tip on there and making sure they're secure. So this is how it looks before I polish them. So right here, I was just scraping the excess glue off of my nails and I'm filing the tip part because I don't want it to look like it's a press-on once I polish them. So right here, I got this peach color. It's by LA Colors. The lighter glitter is by Sally Hansen, and the darker glitter is from the hair store. And I use the white polish by Sinful Colors. I'm going to go in and paint 3 of the nails orange, and I will be putting about 2 or 3 layers. It's okay to go ahead and layer up your polish because we're not using acrylic, so it won't look bulky. But I'm just going to paint 3 of the nails orange, and then I will go back in with the white for the pinky nail, and then I will just be using the glitter polish for the index finger. So you guys don't have to do this perfect. You can go back around the cuticle and clean around the excess polish with nail polish remover or acetone. So don't worry about just being perfect the first couple of swipes of polish. So I'm just going to let you guys watch me paint, and I will be back. So this is how it looks so far. So now we're going to go in with the lighter glitter and we're going to paint the index finger. We are going to do multiple layers, but this polish is sort of thick, so we don't want it to take too long to dry. So I'm just going to paint one layer and leave it alone. So we're going to go in with the darker glitter, and I'm going to paint the ring finger and the middle finger. And you can do multiple layers. Just layer the glitter however if you would like. I kind of like my glitter to show, so I'm gonna go in with that and I'll be back. So right here, we're just gonna go back in with the clear glitter polish, and then we're also gonna apply that polish to the 2 orange nails in the middle just to make it pop a little more, and then we're also going to apply it on the pinky nail because we didn't want to leave that pinky nail just plain white. I wanted to add a little something to it. So this is how it looks so far. I'm also putting that on the thumb, but this is how it looks so far. And then we're going to go in with the darker glitter, and we're going to put it on a few of the nails, but we're just going to put it towards the cuticle and then kind of drag it up for that ombre effect. Hope you guys can see it. So I just made sort of like a rough draft of the design that I wanted on my nails. I didn't film how I painted the tips on here because it was a little bit tedious, but this is how the end result came out, and I absolutely love it. So this is the end result. This is a video from Snapchat. I did not clean around the cuticles yet, but you guys know you can do that at the end, but I absolutely love how they turned out. This lasted me about 4 days. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tag all of your friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, bitch.